In this video, we will show you how powerful the command prompt application on Windows 11 23H2, the latest version. As you can see, usually the command prompt is can open new tab or can open another application. But command prompt in the newest version, you can see there is have arrow menu like this that we can open another PowerShell, Azure Cloud Shell, or another command prompt in the new tab. For example, we need command prompt to have two like this. For example, in the first command prompt, we can try to ping and don't want to close like this. It's very useful if we technical user and need doing like this. And another command prompt we can test, for example, with different command. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, and you can also have another tab for Windows PowerShell. Okay, it's little different with the command prompt. And you can also have the Azure Cloud Shell. Okay, and in here we can also select our theme using right click on the command prompt bar and choose settings. And the color schemes, you can select color schemes you want, and after that you can click set as default if you want here and click save. And let's open our let's open again our command prompt. Now the theme has changed. Okay, if this not good for you, select once again. Okay, one half light, for example, we can set as default and click save, and we can close our command prompt again and try to reopen again, and like this. And that's all about how powerful command prompt in the newest version of Windows 11 23H2. Hope this video helpful for you.